Hi, Livy.
Hi.
Do you want to practice your animals?
Mhm.
Okay, show me where the cow is. Oh, show me the cow.
Go.
What's a cow say?
Mm.
Good job. Where's the horse?
Mommy, how do you spell distant?
There's the horse. What's a horse say? Neigh. Where is the dog? Do you see the dog? He's right there. Do you see him? What's a dog say? Ruff. Where's the chicken? Chicken, what's a chicken say? Buck, buck, buck. Very good. Where's the sheep? Sheep. What's a sheep say?
Mommy, how do you spell galaxies?
Just a minute, Nate. Can you see any other animals? Oh, you're gonna hug them. That's sweet. Can you say bye-bye?